My name's Glen Shaulis. I'm a welder here at HOLLOWAY America. I work in the Manway Department right now, putting hinges on and putting manways together and then getting it all ready so we can get them down into the tanks. I've been here 7 years. I started back in 2016. Started out as a helper, came in, I was needing a job, was wanting to look somewhere. I just got out of welding school. It's funny, actually, I went to a competitor and put in applications there at a couple different places. I think it was by the grace of God, nobody called me or anything, and I put in an application here and she got me first before they called. So then I came in here, got hired on, and then haven't ever left because I had so many people tell me this was the best shop in town. I didn't ever want to leave because I didn't want to find out the hard way that they were right. So I haven't had any problems at all. I love it here, so I just decided to stick around. I have a beautiful wife and a beautiful little girl. She's about 1.5 years right now. She's got beautiful big old blue eyes on her. But my wife, she's amazing. She's going to start teaching this year as a fax teacher at Bolivar High School. She's going to school to get her master's degree. She's working part-time at a wedding venue that her mother-in-law owns. She's taking care of our daughter full-time. She's a stud. It's crazy. I don't know how she does it. I like to hunt and fish a lot, and I like playing some golf, and I play guitar at my church every Sunday. Anytime I can get off, and especially if it's in season, I like to duck hunt a lot. Somebody that's most influential in my life would probably be my dad, just because he taught me pretty much everything that I know at this point of day-to-day life, and just making sure I put God first and make sure that you got a good job, you do what you need to do to keep that, and you support your family and try to put your family first. When I was in high school, I wasn't the greatest student in the world, didn't really know what I was going to do with my life and whatnot. I knew Springfield is a huge stainless town. My dad, he was telling me, he was like, hey, you need to forget about those other places. He's like, you need to go to Precision and start working there. And I was like, okay, so I looked it up on my phone, couldn't find Precision anywhere. My dad's legally blind, so he was like, take me in your truck, I'll take you right to it. And I was like, okay. So we drove clear down to a 720 building where it is now. He was like, well, there it is right there. I was like, well, that says Holloway. And he was like, well, go get an application, who cares? I was like, well, all right. I was looking for Precision, and then turns out it's actually Holloway now, so it was pretty cool. Most of these people, like up in the offices and stuff like that, they've worked on the floor and they've been in the position that I'm in. They come out and they'll talk to you and whatnot. Like Dave, he'll come out and talk and say hi to you for a little bit and get a little bit of personal relationship there with them. So it's pretty cool. So you don't have a bunch of people up in the offices that have no idea who you are or anything about you and whatnot. So it's pretty neat.